giving a little of a soul every day, making overtime to keep the wolves away.
in the morning beats a cup of coffee for starting off the day. Just a little loving when the world is dawning makes you wake up feeling good. Days are coming your way early in the morning, then a little something extra to kind of see them through. Nothing turns the day really gets it done like a little bit of loving from some